Welcome to SuiteTrails. In this video series, we're thrilled to introduce you to 4 stunning apartments nestled in the heart of Sighişoara, Romania. Join us as we explore these unique properties and their captivating feature. Stay tuned for an enriching journey through the city's architectural wonders.
Remember that you have the links to all the accommodations in the description.
The home feeling offers a cozy, air-conditioned apartment nestled in the picturesque town of Sighişoara. Situated approximately 12 kilometers east of the historic Sighişoara fortified church, and 19 kilometers north of the fortified landmark, known as Birtan, this charming abode comes equipped with everything needed for a comfortable stay, including free Wi-Fi and ample parking space. The apartment features a spacious one-bedroom layout, complete with a well-equipped kitchen offering both an oven and a coffee maker, ensuring guests have all the essentials for cooking meals. A private bathroom, featuring a bathtub and slippers, adds to the comfort of this home base. Apartment Ambrose, located in the charming town of Sighişoara, is just 12 kilometers away from the historic Sighişoara fortified church and approximately 19 kilometers from the fortified Birtan church. Guests appreciate the accuracy of both the property's descriptions and photographs shared by visitors, making their experience feel authentic and immersive. The apartment features a spacious one-bedroom setup, complete with a comfortable living room, flat-screen television, an equipped kitchen offering ample space for meals, and a washer-dryer ensuring convenience during stays. An open-air dining area enhances the culinary experience, allowing residents to enjoy meals al fresco under the watchful gaze of the local landscape. Florin apartment, situated in the heart of Sighişoara, offers a perfect blend of modern conveniences and historical charm. Just 12 miles from Sighişoara fortified church and 19 miles from Birtan fortified church, the property seamlessly integrates into its picturesque surroundings. This inviting apartment boasts several amenities designed to enhance your stay, including a casino, a shared lounge, and a 24-hour front desk, ensuring your every need is met promptly. This spacious sun terrace invites relaxation amidst nature's embrace, providing breathtaking views of both the bustling cityscape and tranquil streets beyond. Tony apartment, situated in the charming city of Sighişoara, boasts impeccable details that align perfectly with guest expectations. Nestled within the picturesque surroundings of the town, this accommodation seamlessly integrates modern amenities with traditional charm, ensuring a memorable stay. Featuring a serene garden, guests will find ample space to unwind and enjoy the tranquility of their environment. Accommodation-wise, the property caters specifically to couples seeking a peaceful retreat, as evidenced by their high rating of 9.1 out of 10 for a 2-person trip.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.